Intezze CLIQ wireless earbuds are built around the new Qualcomm 3040 chip with the most modern and economical Bluetooth 5.2 transmission. As one of the few true wireless models, CLIQ also supports the 𝗵𝗁𝗃 codec, which transmits audio at a much higher resolution than conventional SBC or AAC codecs. The standard 8-hour earbud life can be extended by an additional 32 hours by storing the earbuds in the premium metal case. Together, this provides a solid 40 hours of listening without using a socket. Intezze CLIQ earbuds have 4 high-quality MEMS microphones with a Qualcomm CVC ambient noise suppression system. Calling hands-free is not only very convenient, but reliable too, regardless of the environment you are in. You can easily control calls and music being played using the touchpads on the earbuds. Volume control is also included, of course. Intezze CLIQ earbuds have a very short response time of 80 ms, so they are ideal for watching TV. Thanks to their ergonomics, the earbuds are never too tight in your ears, and they fit perfectly. So if you're looking for luxury, everyday wireless earbuds, look no further. You are one click away from great sound and convenient calling.